Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to our quick guide on setting up your Garmin LiveScope system, especially with the exciting new updates for 2025. This amazing technology transforms your fishing experience, letting you see fish and structure in real time, beneath your boat. Connecting it up might seem a little complex at first, but it's actually quite straightforward when you know the steps. We'll walk you through everything, making sure you're ready to hit the water with confidence. Let's get started on unlocking your underwater view. Before we dive into the connections, let's quickly review the essential components you'll need. First off, you'll need a compatible Garmin Chartplotter, like an ECHOMAP or GPS-MAP unit. Next, you'll have the LiveScope black box, which is the heart of the system, often referred to as the GLM10. Of course, you'll need your specific LiveScope transducer and all the required power and network cables. Having these ready will make the installation smooth and easy. Now let's get hands-on with the connections. First, connect the power cable to your GLM10 black box, then to a reliable 12-volt power source, ensuring a good fuse is in line. Next, grab your Garmin Marine Network cable and connect one end to the GLM10 and the other end to your compatible Chartplotter. This creates the communication link. Last, but certainly not least, plug your LiveScope transducer cable directly into the dedicated port on the GLM10 box. It's a simple plug-and-play process. Once everything is physically connected, it's time for the software side of things. Power on your Garmin Chartplotter, and it should automatically detect the LiveScope system. Navigate to your Sonar settings and confirm LiveScope is selected as your active transducer source. Most importantly, ensure both your Chartplotter and your GLM10 black box have the latest software updates. These updates, especially for 2025, often contain crucial performance enhancements and new features, so always keep your system current for the best results. To get the absolute best out of your LiveScope system, remember a few key tips. Proper transducer mounting is crucial. Ensure it's submerged correctly and has a clear line of sight underwater. Take some time to play with your gain and range settings on the Chartplotter. These can dramatically improve your image clarity. Also, routinely check all your power and network connections to ensure they are secure and free of corrosion. Following these simple steps will help you maximize your LiveScope's potential and enjoy your time on the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.